Alrighty, I finally got some Popeyes. Finally about to try that chicken sandwich. Just to see, ask for the extra spicy mayo. Let me see what this sandwich be like. I wasn't really like that excited to try it. Like, I wasn't pressed, but I was passing by. The line actually wasn't long, or as long as it has been. So I'm just about to find out. I was making sure they did what I asked. No pickle. Okay, I mean, it's decent. I don't see why everyone's going crazy about it forever. I don't find it spicy at all. That's what I asked. I didn't think I would. That's why I asked for the extra spicy mayo. But it's decent quality, you know. Yum, yum, yum. That is what's good. That is what's good. That is what's Gucci. Say. Actually, I need to find something to watch. I'm just gonna add a little bit more mayo on it to give me more bites. And we'll see if that makes a difference or not. Okay. It's definitely all on the mayo, but nice quality. And that was my first time having Popeyes chicken sandwich. And I am out till next time.